guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing something a little different. I'm going to be trying on my Ipsy, my Boxycharm, and my Sephora Play all together, all in one video. I'm also going to show you the products that I don't use that I also got in the boxes. So yeah, this is going to be super exciting. I'm still kind of experimenting with what you guys like, whether it's a try-on or it's unboxing. So yeah, I hope you enjoy this video. This is obviously the finished look, so hang in there with me and you will eventually see how this comes together. But again, thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and also give this video a thumbs up if you like it. Alright, let's get right into the video. Okay guys, so let's start. I have basically all of my products from all the boxes just like kind of laid out. So this is going to be very interesting combining them all to like do my makeup. I did already use this from my Sephora Play. This is the Dr. Dennis Gross Hydraulic Marine Do It Right Eye Gel, and it's like really cute and like really cute little packaging. The first step we'll do is primer. I did get this Makeup Forever. This is the Step 1 Skin Equalizer. This is like the mattifying primer. But yeah, this is really like sticky. It makes your face like but alright, while we let this sit, I might as well do my eyebrows. Oh, this is all the Sephora Play stuff. Okay, so I got the It Cosmetics brow powder, and this is in Universal Taupe. Okay, so here's the brows. I think they look pretty good. I just feel like this product is a little too like chalky for me. It doesn't glide on like as nice as I want it to, and I kind of wish it was more thinner. Next, I'm gonna just do my eyes because I want to do something like crazy today. So for my Boxycharm, I got this Luscious, I think it's Luscious Cosmetics Angel Eyes. This is the eyeshadow primer base, and this is in nude. It's very interesting because it goes on your eyes like super dark. Like you can see how dark that is compared to my skin, but then it blends out like so translucent almost. Okay, so I did adjust my camera a little bit if it's a little wonky or different from before. But yeah, so now we're gonna go into the Cosmetics Festival palette. I'm also not sure if I mentioned, but I got this in my Boxycharm. Then also with my Boxycharm, I got these brushes right here, the Luxie brushes, which obviously I have used. So we have a Luxie 209 large shader, a Luxie 245 small shader, which I definitely feel like I have many of these, like at least 3. And then this is the Luxie 512 small contouring. And these are all really good. I've already tried them, but I will use them for this eye look today. Alright, so I'm first gonna go into like the lightest shade. I'll go into Epic right here. I have no like base shade in this, but it's okay. I really love this brush. It is so good for blending. You obviously have to like press very lightly, but this Luxie brush is so good. Next, I'll go into the next darkest shade, which is Hidden Desert. This like brownie reddish orange shade. And I do notice right off the bat that when you dip into this palette, you have to be careful because you pick up a lot of product. So only dip in like a little bit. It may also be the brush, but on the eye, they're looking way more orange than they are brown. And I'm just going to make it like really messy. I just want to make sure this whole thing is super blended. So I'm just going to drag it all the way down past my brow. Remember, with eye looks, they never look good until the last minute. Okay, so I'm going to go into All Night. I'm going to pick up a smaller Luxie brush. It's this brown shade. Let's try to save this look. Okay, well, I definitely want to go in with the shade Good Vibes. I feel like the best way for me, I'm going to try it with a brush and see if anything comes off. But I'm just going to pack this right near the outer corner again. So I'm just going to use my finger and see if this... Oh yeah, the fingers. Yeah, I'm going to pack on Free Spirit in the inner corner. I'm going to put 24K Magic just like all over the lid miscellaneously because it's like a loose glitter. Okay, so let me do all these steps on the other eye and I'll be right back. Here are the eyes pretty much done until I do like all the rest. So I think they look really good. The glitter is super pretty, and it's more of like a sunset eye into the glitter. Okay, so the next product we would move to is probably this brush for bronzer. So let me do my face and everything, and then we'll go over how that works. Okay, so let's do my bronzer. Today I'm feeling extra and I want to be like sun-kissed. I'm going to use my Morphe Enemy bronzer. This is just a little bit more like darker on my skin, so let's do that. And let's use this Morphe brush that I got in the Boxycharm. It's the 512 small contouring. This is like the only one I don't think I've ever had. The only thing I noticed with this is I feel like it's not good at blending it out, but it's good at first like application of like pinpointing right where you want it, and then, you know, it's easy to manipulate, but you definitely need another brush to really blend out into your skin, the bronzer. While I'm waiting to do the rest of my makeup, while I'm waiting to bake, I might as well show you the products that I'm not going to be using today. So let's just continue with my Sephora Play. I only have a few products from that I haven't used. Of course, Sephora Play, as you know, comes with this really cute like little thing that has all the products and tells you like a little bit about it. This one was really cute because it's like a Sephora bingo, and I already like tried to play it. Of course, you get your 50 points. But yeah, this month I was really excited about all the products. Definitely the little small Glam Glow product. This is the Passion Fruit Softening Night Cream, and this is amazing. It's this really like orangey yellow shade or color, but it's super good. I use it or have been using it on my nose because it's been really dry lately. So I put that on overnight and then wash it off, and this works amazing. I haven't tried it on my whole face yet, but I can imagine that this is super good. I think this is one of their new products. But yeah, I was really excited to get that. And then I also got this Peter Thomas Roth. This is the Cucumber Gel Mask. It's Extreme Detoxifying Hydrator. And this I have not tried yet, but again, this is a good sample size for like a mask. I'll try this eventually. I'm assuming it's going to be super hydrating. I also know that his brand is like really good for skincare, so yeah. Oh, of course I drop it. And then the month's bonus was, of course, another shampoo or conditioner. Like really sad because I really wanted a new perfume, but it's okay. This is the this is the Alterna Hair Care Caviar Anti-Aging Restructing Bond Repair. And this is super cool. It has this little flap here that's kind of interesting. But again, these are good if I like completely run out of shampoo, conditioner, or for traveling. I know I'm going to be traveling a little bit, so instead of bringing like full bottles or using like the little shampoo samples in the hotel, I'm going to just bring some of these, so that's cool. But yeah, that's it for this month's Sephora. Let me just say that the Boxycharm this month I thought was amazing. I thought that this was one of the first boxes that I've used everything in the box since I got it. So it's like one of the boxes where everything that's in it I'm 100% gonna use. So first I have this Appeal holographic lip gloss, and this is so awesome. You could already tell that it's holographic, but I'll do like a little swatch. It is like a little red because I did put it over a red lipstick, but like you can kind of tell how holographic it is. It's super pretty. I think this is perfect for, I don't know, it's a perfect topper. It was also really good for like any kind of festival you're going to. It's also a great size, so this I really love. I have used it. And then this, first of all, like if you look at the packaging, you're like, oh wow, it's like just your average loose, you know, gold highlighter, but no. The one thing that I don't like about the packaging is this little sifter pan kind of thing, because you have to move it one way and it doesn't go the other way, so that confused me at first. But let me put a little bit, oh, that wasn't a little bit. So this is the Artist Couture Diamond Glow Powder, and this is Purple Dream. So this is what it looks like when you pour it out. Again, on my finger, just a little thing, and then let me do a swatch. You guys are gonna be freaking blown away. Okay, so I want to try to pick it up on camera. you can kind of see, basically this gold turns into the prettiest, like, purple that you have ever seen. Like, it is so beautiful. Again, they've switched to this format with their little card in the box, which, I don't know, I like their old one a little better, but this one is still telling you about the product and the price, which is really cool. And then the Ipsy bag, unfortunately, they only gave you this and no information about the product, so that's a little annoying. I know before they didn't really give you like a information sheet, but I know they tried it out in previous one. The Ipsy bag absolutely blew me away this month. I know I'll show you the things that I'm not going to use today again, but it was just so amazing. Like, not only were you able to pick your 5th product, it was just like, I don't know, I'm just like blown away. And of course I picked the Ofra highlighter Rodeo Dry, which I'll use later, and I had no idea it was going to be full size, so that's amazing. But yeah, so the things that I got that I'm not going to use, I got this Jelly Pong Pong lip oil. This I really love. It smells like, I don't know, like Jolly Rancher, maybe watermelon Jolly Rancher, because it's watermelon. But again, it's super pretty. I did use this already. It's just this really sheer lip oil. It reminds me of the new Tarte Sugar Rush. So this I really love. I have used this. And then I got 2 extra samples. I think they were like super cheap. It was like $6 for 2, but like I wanted to try it and see how it worked. But I got this Pure Release Watermelon Energizing 2-minute polish peel. I have used this already, and it is so, like, I'm definitely gonna buy this full size because 1, it smells just like watermelon, and 2, the little beads in this like pop on your skin. This is the best like exfoliator I've ever used. And I think I told you in maybe my spring cleaning about the one that I tried, the coffee exfoliant that literally burned my skin. Like, this was so amazing, and afterwards my skin felt like a baby's butt. Like, it was so good. And then I have this really beautiful nail polish that they gave as well. It doesn't have the shade, but I think it's like purple something, but I'm wearing it right now on my nails, and it is such a beautiful purple. I love this so much. I always love, wow, it was a catch. I always love when I get nail polish in my Ipsy bag because I haven't bought nail polish in so long. And then we got this Mood, let's see, Laura Sanchez Mood eyeshadow, which I think the packaging is so cute. Again, it's this like bronzy pinkish shade. And these I'm never really excited for just because like you can kind of see it. I don't know, I never really reach for single eyeshadow, especially with all my palettes, so this I'll probably end up giving away to someone. But yeah, so let's get right back into the try-on. Okay, so I'm gonna do my top mascara. This is another one of the Ipsy add-on items. This is the Blackest Black Buxom Volumizing Mascara, I think it is. I don't know, but this is great. You obviously know that I love any Buxom lip products. So I was like, you know what? I gotta try this because it's Buxom. So I really love this. I really love the applicator. It's so like unique to what, like I have like 5 other mascaras right now that I rotate through. So yeah, this is super cool, but let me apply this just to my top lashes because I still have to do my under eye shadow. It's hard to tell on my top lashes because there's so much lash glue, but I think they look pretty good. And my eyeliners, I don't know, I feel like my eyeliner sometimes like takes away from my lashes, which I literally did the best wing of my entire life on this eye. I'm shooketh. Okay, so I'm gonna bake for just a little bit longer and we will come back and do the rest of the eye makeup. Okay, so I got dressed. I have a shirt on, I promise. All right, let me dust this bake off and we will continue to finish my eyes. I'll put on eyelashes. I told you this eye look was gonna be good, I told you. So if you waited to see how it looked, thank you. You got faith in me. All right, so back in with this festival palette. So we're done with this palette. This palette I would say I really like. I know the shades aren't that exciting, but just the combination is just like, I don't know, really good. And like the purple shade, it has this like purpley pink color, and then like the hot pink. Like, let me swatch these. Pretty good for just a regular swatch. Lastly, to try on is this Ofra highlighter, which is so beautiful. Let me just say, let me do a swatch of it. Like, oh my god, this highlighter is amazing. I have literally worn it probably 3 out of the last 7 days. Like on my nose a little bit. That's just a little dab. I'm using this like it has a mirror on it. Okay guys, so final thoughts. I thought everything I got in all 3 boxes this month were so good. There's nothing that stands out to me that isn't that great. I'm definitely going to try all of it. For overall, I would probably say my Boxycharm is probably the favorite for the month. Just because, like I said, everything in that box I have already used. And I know I'm going to continuously use it. But yeah, I'm really excited about the Ipsy. I like that you could customize it this time. I also did place an order for the Ipsy Glam Bag Plus, and I do have the Ipsy still. So there'll be a video on my channel next month when I get them both in. So that's really exciting. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope maybe it inspired you to get one of these subscription boxes for yourself. I'll make sure to link everything below, so click on that if you're interested. But yeah, all these boxes are super affordable. The product that you get is so worth the price. But thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and also give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to also follow me on Instagram. It's kissinemma_, and also on Twitter, I'm kissinemma24. So don't forget to do that. I'll also put links below. But yeah, thank you guys for watching. I hope you have a great rest of your day.